Mr. Henry always says, wear your safety glasses. Hey, so welcome back. Today we're going to be building a fishing pole display for a buddy of mine. He wants them stored horizontally. I thought of one design already and I scrapped that because it was just way overcomplicated and I didn't like the overall design. It wasn't my style, the way I like to do things. So we're going to start that today. I got most of the stuff mapped out. Planed the boards, milled them to the correct size or almost the correct size. I left them a little extra long. I got all the markings done, so let's begin.